morning, children. Once again, we are here for our online classes. So, in previous video, I have shared you a chapter on geography. And before telling the chapter of geography, we are discuss about our syllabus and books. So, as we told you earlier that there are 4 books. And in previous video, I told you a chapter of geography, India, size and location. And in this particular video, we will start a new chapter from a new book, and the book is economics. You can see it is an economics book, and from this particular book we are going to read our first chapter, and the name of the chapter is The Story of Village Palampur. Palampur, it is a small village, ordinary village, as there are lots of village in our country. And in this particular village, what the activities are going on and how these activities affect in our economic condition, and how these economic activities help in the development of country. All these are related in this particular story. Okay. So the story of Palampur, first we will read in this chapter about the village. Its name is Palampur. Palampur, in this particular story, it is an imaginary village. Okay. And this type of village you can see everywhere in India. So your chapter start with the, you can see this is your first page, and your stories also start with this particular page, story of Palampur, that a Palampur is a small village. And this, in this particular village, the main activity is farming. Farming yani ki kheti badi. Apart from farming, all activities are also going on there. But as we read about the Palampur, Palampur is a developed village. It is a well-connected village. Well-connected मतलब कि उसके अंदर सड़क थी, cemented, or you can say roads, so that there may be a good means of transportation. Different type of transportation is there in Palampur. It is written in your book that jeep, truck, and then bullock cart, tanga, or motorcycle, all these type of transportation are going in this particular village. So in this particular village, we can see that there in this village there are adjoining 2 more small cities. One is Raniganj and another one is Shahpur. These 2 towns are connected with this village so that they can perform their economic activities. Now, about this particular village, there are 450 families written in your book, and in these 450 families, 80 families are belonging to the upper caste, and others family are belonging to the lower caste, SC and ST. Okay. So now most of the house in this particular village are you can say pakka house also, and there are huts also. People used to live in pakka house, you can say made with brick and cement, and some people used to live in a hut, okay, which was made from the mud and the straw. Okay. Now this particular village, according to a book, it is well maintained in case of electricity. Means the electricity is there in that particular village, and for that particular, due to the facility of electricity, people can do their agriculture activity very smoothly. Apart from electricity, there is 2 schools. One school is from 1st to 8th, and another one is up to 10th. There is also a health center, which was called primary health center, maintained by the government, and another one is a private dispensary where people can go for their treatment if they require. Okay. Apart from this, there are lots of other activities, day-to-day activities are also going in Palampur. So in summary, we can say that Palampur is a quite developed, that the basic facilities you can get in this particular village. So this is the introduction, we can say, of our Palampur. Now the next topic which we read in case of Palampur is the factor of production. Factors of production. What is the meaning of production? Production means to produce something. When we produce something, वी नीड लॉट्स ऑफ फैक्टर्स. किसी भी चीज को बनाने में, प्रोड्यूस करने में वी नीड लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स. बहुत सारी चीजों की हमें जरूरत पड़ती है जब हम किसी भी चीज को प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. एंड द फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन is very clearly written on your book and it is on page number 2. Okay, now you can see there are 4 factors of production. Okay, land, labor, physical capital, human capital. Physical capital divided into 2 parts, working capital and fixed capital. So we are going the production कि हम जब किसी भी चीज को प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं, बनाते हैं, तब हमें किन किन चीजों की जरूरत पड़ती है. तो द वेरी मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग जो हमें चाहिए किसी भी चीज को प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए, टू प्रोड्यूस समथिंग, फर्स्ट फैक्टर इज लैंड, जमीन. whenever we produce anything we need our land. For example, the pencil or the stationery which you are using is or already produced in a factory. Our factory is not in a air, it is on a surface. किसी जमीन पर लगी होगी वो फैक्ट्री. तो सबसे पहला जो फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन है, सबसे पहली जरूरत है जो प्रोडक्शन की, वो हमारे लिए क्या आती है? लैंड, जमीन. बिकॉज एनीथिंग, एनी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर वी एस्टेब्लिश, इट नीड्स लैंड, जमीन पर होती है. ओके. सेकेंड फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन, लेबर. बिकॉज प्रोडक्शन इज ऑलवेज डन बाय द लेबर. कोई भी चीज बनाने के लिए किसकी जरूरत पड़ती है? लेबर की. ओके. जब तक लेबर नहीं होगी वी कैन नॉट प्रोड्यूस. देयर इज अ लैंड, देयर इज अ कैपिटल, बट इफ देयर इज नो लेबर वी नॉट एबल टू प्रोड्यूस एनीथिंग. फैक्ट्री है, आपका रॉ मटेरियल सब कुछ है, लेकिन उसको बनाने के लिए मजदूर नहीं है, यू कैन नॉट प्रोड्यूस एनीथिंग. सो द नेक्स्ट मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज लेबर. Okay, now the third thing which we need for the production is divided into physical capital, and this physical capital again divided into 2 parts, working and fixed. First one is working capital. नाम ही है working, काम करने वाला. Okay, चलने वाला, movable. Okay, and it is the working capital is written in your book again on page number 2. That working capital means which is movable. जो एक बार हम यूज करते हैं, इट गो टू द अनदर एंड. एंड इन वर्किंग कैपिटल देयर इज अ एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस रॉ मटेरियल. यू आर यूजिंग अ पेंसिल, you are scraping it, using it, scraping, and once a time come that your pencil is finished. So the raw material which was used in that particular making of pencil is working capital, it is finished. So the raw material, the money, these are coming in the working capital. जो आता है चला जाता है, खत्म हो जाता है. Fixed capital, fixed capital which is fixed somewhere. When we make a factory in a land, we put lots of machinery, and that particular machinery go from year by year, चलती रहती है. Okay, एक साल, दूसरा साल, तीसरा साल, they are giving the production. So fixed capital example is machinery in a factory, that is there only. Year by year that a person is doing a production in a factory, raw material is changed into a finished good and it is consumed by the consumers, but the machinery which was there, that is the fixed capital. Fixed यानी कि वो वहीं पर है, that is not going anywhere. Okay, so third thing which we need in this particular production activity is working capital and fixed capital. And last is human capital, most important factor. कि जो ह्यूमन का ब्रेन है, ह्यूमन की स्किल्स है, एबिलिटी है, that are the most important thing for the production, because without the human capital we cannot able to perform the main activity which was production. हम किसी चीज को प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर सकते अगर हमारे पास में ह्यूमन कैपिटल नहीं है. Without the absence of human capital we cannot able to perform any activity. Okay, in this particular activity or in this particular factors of production, human capital is the most important. Now human capital, this is a very important factor. So we will read in detail about this particular factor in the second chapter of this particular book. Okay, we will now only focus these mainly three factors of production: land, labor, and physical capital. Okay, in the next particular section we will read about all these things, but in this particular section we will read we have read about the introduction of a village, then we have read about the factors which are need for the production, that was land, labor, physical capital, and working capital. These are the important things which we need in a production. Okay, next topic, farming in Palampur. फार्मिंग यानी कि खेती बाड़ी, कि पालमपुर में खेती बाड़ी कैसे होती, हाउ द पीपल आर डूइंग एग्रीकल्चर इन पालमपुर. So this was started again in your book from page number 2. Okay, now the first point which is in your book, that the land is fixed. जो जमीन है that is always fixed. We got independence after the British rule in 1947, and after 1947 2019 हमारी जो पॉपुलेशन है वो क्या हो गई, डबल, more than which we are at the time of independence. But land is the particular thing which was not changed. Okay, so land is always a fixed thing in any activity. So according to your book, in Palampur also land is fixed. पॉपुलेशन पालमपुर में बढ़ रही थी लेकिन जो जमीन थी वो नहीं चेंज हो रही थी. लैंड इज फिक्स्ड, so people have to do agriculture in that particular fixed land because they cannot change the land. Okay, so when you read the chapter you can see that in this particular topic, the land is fixed in Palampur. There are 75% people those who are doing the agriculture activities, and apart from these 75%, other 25% people are doing other activities. Maybe they have landless labor. Okay, so in Palampur, according to your book, it is written that from 1960, after 1960 there was no change in a land, or you can say there was no change in any agricultural land in Palampur. The land which was in 1960, the same land for agriculture is available in 2016-17 also. Okay, so people have to do the same particular farming activity on a fixed land. They have to find out the techniques, how they can make more and more production by doing which type of activity, so that they can fulfill the need of their people. They can grow more and more crops. Okay, so this is the main thing. Now we will go in this particular chapter, how the farming is doing in Palampur.